YouTube. So welcome to another training. Today we're going to be looking at how to migrate user data from one computer to another. It's a really very simple task depending on what you're trying to accomplish. So one of the tools we're going to be using, well, the main tool we're going to be using is called the user state migration tools. Was part of Microsoft Windows ADK, the Assessment and Deployment Kit, Windows Assessment and Deployment Kit. I will leave this link below the video so you can, if you wanted to go over this for more information. So basically, what can this tool do for us? Well, when we download this Windows ADK, all right, it's pre-packaged with a USMT Windows ADK utility in both of the two computers we're trying to move data. For example, the old computer and the new computer. We have to put the tools on those. When I mean put the tools, we have to download the tools and install in both of those two computers for us to use their utilities and their command. It's a very simple command. The first command we need to use is called ScanState. All right. The second command we need to use is called LoadState. So for example, if I go fire up a PowerShell and I have a copy of my own Windows ADK already installed on this folder. So let me list my directory. So I think I placed them inside of AMD64. So I'm just going to change my directory to AMD64. Okay, and I'm going to list the directory. The first command that we need to run to pull data from the old computer is called ScanState.exe. All right, this utility will move all the user profile, all the documents, all the settings, and any other things that you specify as part of the command when you run the command. So it depends on what you're trying to accomplish, like I mentioned in the first place. So if you wanted to take all your folders with you, or your files with you, all your settings, for example, when I mean settings, if you look at my taskbar here, I actually have some permanent applications that I'm running for easy access. And also, if you look at my start menu, I placed some applications here that I can easily access. And also on my desktop, if you look at my desktop right here, I have a background, a customized background. Everybody have different customized background on their computer. So basically you want to take things like this from your old computer to your new computer. Or maybe you have two computers and you want to make sure your settings and your profile they sync. This is one of the best way to do it. Tool. Once you download this tool, you will put them in a directory like I've done here, and you will on the old computer you will run ScanState, and you will specify a location, maybe on the C drive, or you can even specify an external hard drive or maybe a USB drive to put all those settings onto. And then you will take all those settings, you will go over onto your new laptop or your new computer, and you will run the load state execution. That load state will now pull all the data from your old computer into your new computer so that you can have all your settings that I've mentioned before over, and then the task is completed. It's very simple. Download the ADK. Inside of the ADK, we have the USMT. Use the USMT utility, which you will put on a drive to restore your data. First of all, you use the utility to back up your data by running ScanState, and then you use the LoadState utility to restore your data. It's as simple as that. So follow along with me on this series. Let's enjoy this series together. I hope you enjoy this short video. If you have enjoyed this video, if it helped you, like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.